Keep watching my video. If this video is in Urdu, the next video is going to be in English. The same video if you can't understand my language, so I'm helping it out because I was getting so many requests that all my videos should be in English. So from now on, I'm making a video in Urdu and in English as well. Thank you very much. Take care.
Hi guys, this is Arshad Qureshi again and welcome to my training video, and it's the continuation of my previous video, which was I was trying to help you out with your potting skills, because without potting snooker is nothing, and you must practice and go through all these routines, because every player you see in the world or even in your club, they go through these practice. They might seem boring to some, but trust me, without these practice routines you cannot improve your game without it. So today's practice is a bit difficult, and I would like to, it's a bit advanced. It's not difficult, but it's an advanced practice that I would like to keep my white ball on one side of the table and would not let my white ball go the other side of the table. So before I start my video, I would like you guys to subscribe my channel and click the bell button if you haven't. And also please share my videos with your friends and your fellow players, so I can spread my message to all over the world, to the players, and whoever can get benefit out of my efforts, I'll be happy to do that. And if you would like to contact me, my contact numbers are there. If you'd like to invite me in your country, in your city, I'm also available, and I do travel to different areas of the world. And if you need any advice, any consultancy about opening a club, buying a table, buying a cue, just do let me know. So let's start this practice now. Okay, so now it's fun time, I mean potting time. So it's a bit tricky moment, and I would like you guys to understand this, that you must practice you must practice all the routines which I'm sharing with you guys. Especially part 1 of this video was very important. If you can complete 300 points on the part 1 video, it'd be a lot easier for you to play this practice. Now again, I'm taking my target to 50 points and starting again from either pink or the black, since it's my short cue ball in my hand. I'm placing on the pink. You can see it's a very soft shot, just below center. 6 points so far. I'll take the pink out, but I'll keep my white ball on the one side of the table. As you can see, this is another soft screw shot. It's not deep screw. You can see the white ball. The spot which I was showing on the previous shot was that it was not very low. So it also makes difference. That's why this practice is very important, because that gives you the opportunity to understand that how low or how high you need to hit to get your desired result from the shot. Again, keeping it at thickish spots, and you can see it was soft stance or screw. 17 points. There you go, it's 1.18. Wanted to screw a bit back, so that's why I hit my white ball slightly lower than the previous shot. So snooker is difficult game, and you have to be able to go through different practice routines on daily basis, or at least whenever you go to club, spend 15 to 30 minutes, or maybe, I mean, I would prefer that if you go spend 2 hours a day or at least 1 hour a day, it'd be good for you to understand. Now you see white balls went slightly far, but still I think I'm in a decent position. You see, I was down the shot and I got up because I was probably in the wrong line of aim. So it is no harm in getting up on the shot if you feel like that you are not in the shot correctly. Placing my green ball and black ball again. Again, my target is here is 50 points. Sorry for that. So I can either play green now or blue. It's purely up to me that what I want to do and how tough shot I'm willing to play. but I would like to keep my white ball on that side of the table. It was a deep screw shot, as you can see, and points are 31. Try this routine. It's very fun to pot these balls, and achieving your target is always very soothing, and it helps you mentally a lot. Gives you potting confidence, your game confidence, and when these shots appear in the game, you feel much comfortable and confident in playing these shots. So again, I'm on a green ball. There you go, it's a soft screw. Again, I'm 40. Points break is done. Now, again, placing green ball since I don't have any helper. It's a good idea if you can play with your friend. You can keep your friend, you can practice, and he can help you out. Then you can practice. Then he practices and you help him out. So both of you can help you out. It's just like going a gym. So if you have a good partner, practice partner, that will help you, and you will enjoy more and spend less time taking balls out of the pocket. And you see, soft screws, deep screws, stunt screws, that's all it takes to keep my white ball over there. And it may seem easier again, as I'm saying, but trust me, it's not easy. It's tough shots, but once you go through these practice routines on daily basis, things get easier with the passage of time. So to make my 50, once you complete your 50, then maybe you can give your target of 100, 150, 200, and again it's advisable to make at least 300 breaks without missing a ball. If you miss a ball, make sure you replace them and start from zero. You have to be honest with yourself. Now let's have a quick look with the fast forward mode. Yeah. And you can see that. Try to practice these shots and these routines regularly. And again, you must spend some time. I will make more videos on these potting practice routines, and I'm sure these will help you, and you can always let me know that what you guys are learning and what you have learned so far. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and as always, it's fun to pot balls, but it's always good if you know what you're doing, and you will only know what you're doing once you know what way to hit and how to pot. So I would like you guys to subscribe my channel if you have not, and also share it with your friends. And in this video you might have noticed that I kept my white ball on one side, but I was kept hitting on the below center of my white ball. But how to hit, when to hit, I think that will give you this video will help you out how and what to do in this situation. So you must practice. If you have any question about this video, let me know. If you have any video to share with me, do let me know, and take care of yourself. Thank you. Bye.